how to buy American dog token. So this token came under the symbol of a dog. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your research. Also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out description. Now, as you can see, before going on about this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. This token is available on the screener. It created 8 hours ago and it increased by 22,000% in the last 24 hours. You can imagine that. So this token is trending number 16 in the screener. So people buy this token. It's easy and simple. Copy the token address from here. This token address, as you can see, it's under this online network. Open your funds wallet for that. Now after that, click on swap. Make sure you have enough solid in your wallet. Click here and paste the token on this. So this is our token. As you can see, click on it and here type how much you want to buy. As you can see, this is how much you receive the token. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter. Make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to relax to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face an issue, go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here or custom it, because the most of the issues came from the slip hash, and after that, you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy ADOG token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.